Yeah, check that out. Great wrapping job, very well protected. Okay, so I bought 2 items. One is a Pullman pan. This is I've never used one before. It's a bread pan with a lid. And what that enables you to do is bake loaves that are completely rectangular. So it's ideal for sandwich slices. Yeah, very well wrapped. This is a 13-inch by 4-inch by 4-inch Pullman loaf pan and cover. And manufactured by the world's largest producer of commercial bakeware, limited lifetime warranty, loaf pan made in the USA. This was only a couple dollars extra, a couple dollars more than the ones on Amazon, which were not made in the USA. Yeah, I'm not sure what gauge steel this is, but it's one of the complaints that I've read about with the versions available on Amazon is that these little tabs here on the lid bend easily, and that's not the case with this pan here. I mean, this is sturdy. This is not going anywhere. I would have to take pliers to try to bend these out of shape. And let's just check out the little minor details. A lot of times these solder joints will be sharp. I mean, it's not too bad. Overall, it's pretty smooth to the touch. Some of the lesser quality baking pans will have sharp edges that can cut you. This is overall pretty comfortable. No sharp edges. And how about the lid? The edges are a little sharp, but not too bad. I'm mainly concerned with these edges here, and these are smooth, but these little corners they're a little sharp. It's coated with like a non-stick material. Oh, right here is a little sharp underneath here. For example, if my daughter with small fingers tried to open this and she put her fingers here, they could easily go in underneath this lip, you know, probably an extra quarter inch than mine are going, and that would definitely increase the risk of her cutting herself. Because right now, if I were to pull my fingers left or right while under this lip, I would cut myself. Let's see how well it slides on. Okay, it's a very snug fit. Let's try from the other side. Okay, it's a little bit smoother from that side. All right, let's put this one down. Let's look at our next item. All right. So the last item here is a Biscotti pan, and I love Biscotti, and I unfortunately only have exposure to supermarket. In fact, I have exposure to Costco Biscotti, which isn't saying much. It tastes good to me. It could be probably a tad bit less sweet. I've talked to friends who say that they've had authentic, really good quality Biscotti, and they say that it's very nutty and less sweet, and that sounds very appealing to me. So I'm going to explore different recipes. This is a very heavy-duty pan. Let's see here. Doesn't say where it's made. There's no label. You know, some of these edges, not too bad here, not too bad here. This right here is a little sharp. There's a jagged edge right there. That would cut you if you're not careful and you're just holding it, run your finger. That would cut you right there. So they have to watch out. But that's one corner out of 4 corners that's kind of defective like that. Again, it's not taken away from the functionality of the pan, but when you're paying, I forgot how much I paid for this. I'll come back to that. But you know, $20 or so for a pan, you expect better quality. Again, I could probably modify this with a little sandpaper, but it seems to be coated with some kind of non-stick material, so I don't want to agitate that material or that coating. We'll see. It's not a big deal, but something to think about. So those are my initial thoughts on these two pans. I will be baking in them over the upcoming weeks and look forward to sharing my thoughts as I put them into use. Thank you.